Model, 66-plate Peugeot Boxer Relay 2.0 BlueHDi 335L to 110 spares OR repairs grin very low miles trade-worthy smirk ULEZ compliant face with handover mouth bargain. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 68,400. MOT, the 25th of August 2024. Engine, 1997 ccDW10 FUE. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, box at the back is taller than giraffe. Grin perfect for removals. Open mouth smile. Bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, parking